Hey everyone, welcome to my channel with another vlog in which I have included two recipes and they are super quick, easy and healthy recipes. Let's get into the video by subscribing my channel if you are new. The breakfast which I am going to prepare today is super nutritious and healthy breakfast made out of green grams. I have soaked the green grams overnight to make this delicious food. Into a blender, I am adding the soaked green grams along with piece of ginger, 1 onion, 1 green chili roughly cut. Adding little bit of water to blend it. If needed, add extra water to blend the green grams. This is the consistency required to the batter. For the second batch, didn't add any other ingredients. Only the remaining soaked green grams were added. To have with green gram dosa, I am cooking scrambled egg curry by the side. You may find the recipe in the link above or in the description below. As we are going to make a dosa batter, instead of adding water, I am adding coconut milk into the blended mixture. Add salt and the perfect consistency to make green gram dosa is ready. Now let's make the healthy, nutritious green gram dosas. Heat the dosa pan, grease it with little oil and place a ladle of batter on the center of the tawa and slowly swirl as shown till you reach your desired size. This is a very thick batter, not a thin batter like the regular dosas. So in between the swirl you will come across with breakage. As we have added green grams, it takes time to cook the dosas. Make sure to even out the batter because it takes time to cook. Leave the dosa for 3 minutes and then turn to the other side. If you prefer, you can add butter or ghee. I am adding butter at this time. And a special dosa for the boss, egg green gram dosa for Leah. Green grams are packed with healthy nutrients, so try to add these healthy meals into your daily intake. Green gram dosas are so filling and healthy. Do not forget to give a try to make this amazing breakfast. It's time to prepare the lunch after some playtime. Today's lunch include a fish curry and the next main recipe which I'll share today, tamarind rice. We'll be sharing some glimpses of fish curry, but the main focus goes to the main course, tamarind rice. Into a pan, I have added 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. When the oil heats up, I am adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds. While it's spluttering, I am adding a teaspoon of urad dal. As I am out of stock of curry leaves and dried chilies, I am not using it here. But if you are trying this recipe, you can add those. Then add 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Here I am adding some roasted chili peanuts. You can use the plain peanuts too. Saute for few seconds and then add a pinch of turmeric. And then add the main flavor, tamarind water. I soaked a teaspoon of tamarind into a half cup of water and then dissolved it. Let it boil for a few minutes by adding salt and then add rice little by little. If it is a day-old rice, it would be much tastier. Here I am using freshly cooked rice. Mix the rice well and off the flame. Lunch is ready. Tamarind rice along with fish curry. I hope you like the 2 healthy recipes which I shared today. Do not forget to give a try. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Hope to meet you all with another video on next week. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.